how to change your background picture in every 1 minute automatically. So let's start from the beginning. First of all, go to your desktop, right click on the desktop, click on personalize, and here you will see lots of options here, but where you will have to go, this is the lock screen area, but you want to change this area while you are using your laptop. Every 1 minute it will change. So come here in the background and you will see here Windows Spotlight and click on slideshow. After slideshow you will see here change picture every 30 minutes. So you can make it 1 minute, 10 minutes, so I will make on the 1 minute, and it will change automatically picture after 1 minute. Every 1 minute it will change automatically. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.